Munissa.
Don't mind.
I've been sent here by the boss.
What?
The boss sent me
Oh, okay.
to give you this.
Oh, thank you.
Brian says, Shug, he loves you so much.
Aww.
We gotta have our future. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He did send a little more than
Oh.
two. And, you know, what would a birthday be without a birthday hat, don't you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You scared me more than anything.
Well, good, it worked. No. All right, I'm going to measure your head. Don't suck
Okay.
in, okay? All right, got it.
Don't suck it in.
He had no idea what outfit I was going to wear today.
I didn't know anything. I'm just like passing out birthday
Well,
cakes.
then he did good, huh?
He did.
Let's see. Let's put this one on there, too.
I guess.
Don't try that at home.
Okay.
All right. Almost there. I think it needs one more, maybe. Somewhere. There it is. There it. Oh, that didn't work. Don't hold your finger up like that. We're going to see if you have the power.
Oh, it's a heart.
You do.
Cool.
So now we know.
Awesome.
You have to wear that all day.
I have to wear all day.
All day.
I think that says I love the fact that I have a loose screw. What about you?
Yeah.
Hang on just 1 second. Okay.
Thank you. Happy
Thank you.
birthday
Thank
to
you so much.
You bet.
Thank you. You have a good day.